Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are eating keto, and when I woke up this morning I decided to make myself some coffee with a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon of butter. So here I am breaking my fast at around noontime. I'm going to be making myself some scrambled eggs, some veggies, some cheese, some avocado, just a really nice clean keto meal. In the skillet here I have some zucchini. It's measured out in a little measuring cup to be about a cup. I saute it in a little bit of coconut oil cooking spray from Trader Joe's, and I like to saute it enough that it's caramelized but not mushy, because I don't like mushy vegetables. In the cabinet here, I'm just going to show you what the can looks like. If you're unfamiliar, this is the cooking spray. And that's the salt I use. The salt goes on top of the zucchini just to get some of that water out, and to also keep up with the electrolytes that I will probably have lost over the course of the day with all of the water that I'm going to be drinking. Also, when you're not eating carbohydrates, your body tends to flush out some electrolytes. So here we do 3 scrambled eggs with the zucchini, and I scramble this up just to the point where the eggs are cooked but not hard and crusty. I kind of like them soft. Combined with the zucchini is really nice. And then when that's all done, I'm going to put a slice of the cheddar cheese that I showed you earlier on top. I turn the flame off and I just let it sit for about a minute or two so that the cheese doesn't get melted where the eggs are still cooking. It just gets melted because the temperature of the skillet is nice and warm. So when that is done, I pop this right into my plate and I scoop out one of those little tubs of holy guacamole, the mini cup, and I plop that on top, and here is my first meal. This is after a 16-hour fast, and that's kind of where we're at for this meal. I am going to eat another meal, and I'm going to show you what that's like in just a moment. So enjoy the beautiful view of my scrambled egg and cheese, zucchini, and avocado. All right, guys, so here's my final meal of the day. This is all within a 6-hour window, so I can continue on with my intermittent fasting. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you the meal. The 2 turkey burgers, the olive oil mayo, the yellow mustard, and half a cup of arugula. This is my final meal for the day. Feeling fantastic.